Welcome to Amusement Archive. In this video, we're going to show you around All-Star Movies Resort in Walt Disney World. When this video starts, you'll see a bunch of people clapping and stuff. It's because we were the first guests into the All-Star Movies Resort after it shut down in 2020. So pretty cool that we were the first ones to come back after that big hiatus.
We're headed into the Toy Story section. Big Buzz and Big Woody.
Who's that?
That's Big Buzz and that's Big
No,
Woody.
who's in front of us?
Kari.
RC.
Kari. Carson. There's Rex and Bo Peep. I see Rex and Bo Peep. You mean Stinky? No. Bo Peep.
Oh, we're going into Andy's room.
Yep.
It says, keep out,
No.
except Molly.
Andy's room.
Whoa.
Andy's room. And his toys are in it.
Look, the army men are up on top.
Look, and a Mickey's, Dad.
Yep.
And look, they're on the
Checkerboard.
Here's the Sorcerer Mickey swimming pool.
You want to sit in here?
Because it makes you sad. That soldier's missing his foot.
Look, another.
Look, it's Jack in the Box. Literally. But I called you Jack in the Box.
What is that one?
That's the Sorcerer Mickey hat right there.
But what is the one behind us?
Oh, you remember these in Fantasia?
This is Fantasia and this is Fantasia.
That's cool. You want a picture in front of this one, Wyatt? Whoa, there's actual Herbie.
This is Herbie the Love Bug section. And I like the Fantasia one better than this Herbie the Love Bug section.
That's Wyatt's opinion.
Actually, mine is Michael in the hat, because my first name is Michael. And my second name is Lightyear.
This is the actual car that was used in the Magic Kingdom parades from 1978 to 1990.
So shiny. Staying at the All-Star Movies Resort in Disney World.
At the Mighty Ducks section.
At the Mighty Ducks section. Here's the scoreboard. And here's the pool. And there's some hockey sticks. So, there's also a Dalmatians one. I don't know if you can see it really. Yeah. There is. And then here are the lockers in the bathroom. There's Donald, Ducks, Daisy. And I don't.
On the other side of this arch.
And also, these are what the stairs look like. Can I show? And there's Goofy there's Goofy, and the name of the pond, the name of the pool is the Duck Pond Pool. And here's the 101 Dalmatians Resort. Here's some puppies, and here's and then here's some other puppies, and then there's the dad from the movie, and then there's the mom. And
I like the sidewalk. It's got bones on it. Dog bones.
And here's the sidewalk. Also, you can go inside of this, and then he'll be watching you.
I'll film you him watching you on TV. Look, Spot's watching you on TV. Is that Spot?
No, it's not mine.
Whoever.
It's not Lucky. It's not Lucky.
He's watching you on TV.
This is how giant it is. And this puppy. And
Go over to that one.
this is how giant the other one is. And this is how giant the other one is. So big. And also, look, it's Wyatt. And look at my magic band. It has Mickey, Donald,
I don't know what we did
Goofy,
here.
and Pluto. Yeah, he lost his magic band. well, this is our room. Here's the bed, and then here's the TV, and then here's the remote, and you gotta do some magic. Here's the coffee maker, and
Ready?
yeah.
Wyatt, come help me.
Oh, this is the other bed. Oh, this is what it was. I was just thinking that those.
See? You want to film it?
Yeah. Go. I want to watch something. This is what the other bed looks like. I want to watch something. And oh, it's just like your TV. And then here's the bathroom. And then here's the sink. And then here's like all your things that you need for the bathroom. And that, I don't know if that's it. Maybe that's it.
Thanks for taking a trip with Amusement Archive. I got a lot of videos, so check the playlist. Find a theme or a place you're into. Have some fun watching some videos. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, this is the Amusement Archive. I'm glad you stuck around, watched this video. Hopefully you stick around and watch plenty more videos. I just want to know, what kind of videos do you guys like? Are you into the ride-throughs, walk-throughs, the tours of places? Are you into toy hunts for Disney stuff? Souvenir hunts at gift shops? I try to provide all that kind of stuff in these videos. Hopefully you guys like them. Also want to offer up, I got a free sticker here. It looks kind of like this unless I change the design, but you can check the description. Either email me, find me on Instagram, and send me your address. I'll send you out a free sticker. Definitely appreciate everyone watching my videos, and hopefully I can grow this channel and provide more cool stuff for everyone to watch. Later.